So, tell us about the Rafa Christian Center.
Rafa Christian Center International as a Christian organization, or it's a church or a movement, whatever you call it. It was founded by Apostle J.T. Sambo, a man from Matsulu. And then Rafa Christian Center International, we are preaching Jesus Christ crucified and resurrected. Our mission is that we are raising a generation of worshippers, people, or a generation that will be free from operations, demonic operations, whether mentally, socially, financially. People who will live in the fullness, the fullness of God, raising a generation of worshippers who will be totally free from such operations. So yeah, that's Rafa Christian Center International. We are more in healing and